Hey, this is John Patterson with Charter One Realty, and today we're going to do a virtual open house of One Timber Lane in Moss Creek. The house was updated in 2014, and we're really excited to show you around. Let's go take a look. As we step into the home here, you can see how open and bright the floor plan is. Lots of windows, a lot of great views out to the golf course in the back of the home. Great kitchen, gas stove, great looking granite countertops, lots of storage. And look at this view out to the pool from the kitchen. Lots of great storage. You got a little office area. You've got a beverage refrigerator here. Under cabinet lighting, all stainless steel appliances. Did a great job with the hood over the gas stove. Dining area, and then we'll head down into the den. And great views out to the golf course. Gas fireplace. Just a fun floor plan. Flows really well. Just off the foyer inside the front door. Neat little office space. Again, with great views out to the pool area. Head back to the master suite. You've got powder room, spectacular views out to a private little courtyard, into the golf course again. They've done a great job with the master bath. Just down the hall, you've got a great mud room and laundry room area. Let's head upstairs and take a look at the 2 guest bedrooms. Right when you get upstairs, you've got a full bath. There's your second guest bedroom upstairs. Outside, you've got this great courtyard area in between the master suite, which is just across the way there. Sitting area. Great views out to the golf course. Beautiful day here in South Carolina. Another view of the courtyard area just out back. Another great feature of One Timber Lane. Shed out back. A lot of things you can do with this space. Something that really sets this house apart. You saw the great views in the back. Look at this entrance statement. Great landscaping all around, super private. Thanks for joining us today here at One Timber Lane in Moss Creek. If you have any questions or comments, please take a minute, post them below, or you can call me on my cell phone at 843-368-7710, or check out our website at homeshhi.com. Thanks for joining us.